Okay. Um, Everyone should remember how to do this. If you remember how to do this, you will be fine doing this chapter. Make sure you have the least common multiple. How do you do that? Obviously, 3 and 5, it's 15. So you multiply 15, 5 top and a bottom here, 3 top and a bottom here. So it becomes 15 in the denominator and 5 plus 3, right? Just look at this problem again. Right? Everyone remembers how to do that. So you're going to apply the same method when you do this particular problem. So let me show you what I mean when we do this, for example. We're going to add. Last time we're 8.4 is like multiplication and division. This time is addition and subtraction. But you can do this. For example, like that. Okay. In order for you to combine, you need to make sure the denominator is the same, just like here. Yeah, so let's get to it. This one and this one, they look kind of the same, but let's see. We can rewrite this becomes x plus 1, x minus 1. Right? And then obviously you can tell that these two will very soon to have the same denominator if I just multiply by x minus 1, the bottom and the top, like this. And the final answer would be x plus 1, x minus 1, and then it becomes, yeah, 2x squared minus x plus 3. It's minus 2x, but I added the x, so it becomes just minus x. You know, things like that. You have to do this if I tell you to. If you leave it just like it is, probably okay for now. I don't particularly care, but if you take the test, sometimes they will extrapolate this. They will expand this. So you need to know what it looks like anyway. Yeah, let's try another one. But this time you have to do this one, okay? Please do this on your own. Pause the video when you are done. Do this problem. Simplify, please. All right, now that you're finished, you obviously rewrite this to become x times x minus 1. So these two will very soon have the same denominator if I just multiply x on both sides, I mean the top and the bottom. So the answer would be x bracket x minus 1, x squared plus x minus 2. All right. If you want to turn this into a fraction, you can as well. But if you don't have to, if you don't want to. So obviously this is x plus 2, x minus 1, and then x times x minus 1. If I ask you to simplify, obviously the answer would be this, right? And then make sure you state the restrictions. But today I just want you to simplify. If it's to the simplest form, this would be your final answer. Okay? All right. Why don't you try one again? Make sure this time you do it to the simplest form. Okay? This one's a little bit, takes a little bit longer, but do so by yourself. You don't have to state the restriction, but combine it. My suggestion is that you do the top first and then divide it by the bottom once you combine them. Right? Okay. Pause the video when you're done. Now, let's try it. Make sure the top has the same denominator by multiplying, just make sure the bottom is xy. So how does this one become xy in the denominator? By multiplying y in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, combining it, the top becomes, obviously the answer would be x squared y over xy. Ooh, it will be x squared plus y. That's what I meant. Okay. Now the bottom becomes 1 over y plus y over y by multiplying This is 1 over 1, right? So if you think about it, 1 over 1 by multiplying y over y. So like that. So the final answer for this one will be y plus 1 over y. Let's simplify. This divided by that is the same as this multiplied by y over x plus 1. I mean y plus 1. Y plus 1. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, now we're multiplying, so just cross that out, cross that out. You can't really simplify this, so the final answer will be xy plus x, and then this one will be x squared plus y. Okay, it takes a while, but you have to get used to it.